Hey guys, this is Nirmal from NirmalTV.com, and today we'll have a quick look at the new Wine app which was released for Windows phones by Twitter. So Wine has finally made it to the Windows phones after initially releasing for iOS and then for Android phones. So Wine app was announced back in July with the announcement of 1020, and it has now finally made it to the Windows Phone store, and it's now available for free download. So let's have a quick look at the new Wine app for Windows Phone store and see how it's different from the Android version. So we have installed the Wine app on my Lumia 920. So let's open the app. So I have installed it. So let's open it. So when you open the app, you can see the sign in option is pretty much similar to the Twitter, with the option to sign in with Twitter as well as sign up with email, or if you have an account already, you can sign in with that option. So let's just sign in to Wine on my Windows phone and see the interface and as well as the features. So we have opened the Wine for Windows phone, and you can see the timeline. The first button is the home button, or that you can view the timeline of your friends, so that you can see the activity from your friends, the videos they are shared on Wine. So that is available on the home screen. Then you have the activity tab, where you can see the activity on your account, that is the people who have followed, comments, likes, etc. Then you have the explore option. You can see what's popular or what's on the rise. Then you have different channels to get new videos. Then finally you have the profile option, where you can see your profile, then all the videos you have shared, then your likes, people who follow you, etc. And then at the bottom you can see the option to search as well as create new Wine. So then you have the option to find people. Then you have the settings. Then so let's see the option to create a new video. So let's click this button, and you can see the camera is switched on. Okay, so right now we can start creating a video. So you have the options here. You can view the grid, you can focus it, then you can select the ghost mode, then you can switch to front camera. So those are the options available on Wine for Windows phone when you switch to camera mode. So let's just create a simple video and then upload it. So I have this small toy here. So let's so to create a video, just press and hold the screen. You can see the movement. So once the video is created, you can see preparing for Wine. So Wine video is being prepared, and you can see you can view the video what you have created right now. If you are okay with the video, you can press the tick button and then upload it, or you can delete the video by pressing the close button here. So that will delete the post. You have to confirm whether you want to delete the post. So just deleting the post. So that is the interface of Wine on Windows phone. So it's pretty much similar to what you see on Android phones. So now let's have a quick comparison of the Wine for Windows phone as well as Wine on Android phones. So right now I have the Wine installed on my Android as well. So you can see here. So let's go to the timeline and see. So you can see here, instead of the titles, you have the icons here. This is the feed, the activities, explore, and the profile option. The option to create a new video as well as search people or videos are on the top for Android, while it's at the bottom on Windows phone. And also the settings are also available on the bottom, while on Android you can view the settings from here. You can find people and do the settings from here. So those are the main changes. Apart from that, rest all are similar. You can see the option to comment and like the photo. Similar way you can see here as well. So you can see the option to comment and like the video. And the sharing options are also same here, so you can see the sharing options. Share on Twitter, share on Facebook, copy link, email, or delete this post. So those are the options here. So you can hit the play button and start playing the video on either of them. You can just pull to refresh the timeline. So that activity is also same on both the versions of Wine. So overall we feel Wine for Windows Phone is pretty good. It has almost all the features. You can even pin to the start screen on Windows Phone, which is available only for Windows Phone, since the start screen options are available only on the Windows Phone. So overall the features wise, both the app are pretty much the similar, and you get all the features from the Android version onto the Windows Phone version, except for slight change in interface, while the other features and functions are pretty much similar. So that's all guys. So have you installed Wine on your Windows Phone? If not, just try it from the Windows Phone store, and it's pretty good implementation from Twitter. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest updates.